What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing a skull toilet from Skibidi Toilet. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the visor on top of the eyes. We're going to start with a straight line, starting from the left, go all the way across towards the right. Now on the ends we want to angle this up and in towards the top. And we'll close off the top with a straight line. From the top corners, draw two straight lines going up, and we'll close this off with a straight line. Now let's go back down and add those metal bars across the side of the jaw. From the bottom corners, the step in, it's going to angle this down and then out, and come down and then in. Let's angle this up and then in, and then draw a straight angle line going out towards the side. I'm going to follow this line back up towards the top. Let's add two bars coming down the side. So we're going to step in, draw one line, step in and draw that again. Now in the center, let's draw the nose. We move out to the side, starting with the left, come down and up in the middle, come down and up on the right side. Let's move out to the side and add a fold, going out and then down. Now we're going to go out to the side and draw the cheekbones. In between these two bars, bend this in and then down, continue in towards the inside. And we'll line that up on the right. Let's step up and curve the edge of the mouth, going out and then down. Now you want to connect the ends with a series of small curves to the bottom row of teeth. So we're going to start on the left, going down and up, and just continue all the way down. Just going to dip this down a little bit lower in the middle, and then raise that up towards the right. From each of these points, we're going to draw a straight line going up toward the top edge of the teeth. And then we'll round out the top of the gum line, going up and then down. Now I want to go back and add a little bit more detail to that visor. We're going to step down and draw another straight line going across. Let's add a couple slits on the outside, draw a straight angle line coming down. In the center, come straight down the middle. From the bottom, I'm just going to angle this up and then out towards the top right. Let's add another bar along the side. We'll start from the side of the visor, go straight out, angle this down and then out towards the bottom. Let's angle this back down and in. And we want to hook this up towards the inside, just bending that up towards the jaw. Now from here, I just want to bend this out and then out towards the edge. And we'll follow that same angle line on the outside, going up to right about there. And we'll pull that straight in. Now I want to draw the inside of the lower jaw. Let's start from the top, from the cheeks, come down, in behind that point, come in towards the bottom. Let's bend the teeth along the side, going up and in. And we'll draw a series of curves along the top of the teeth, going all the way across. From each of these points, draw a straight line coming down, and I'll round up the bottom of the gum line. Let's draw the outside of the lower jaw. We're going to step out underneath the cheek, then it's in, and then down. Continue down towards that bottom bar. And then in between, you're just going to round out the chin. Coming down, and then up. Now we're going to continue to add some more metal detail along the side of the head. Let's start by adding a pin along the side. Bring this down and out. It's going to overlap an angled line coming down across the edge. Let's draw another straight angled line along the inside. Let's add some thickness to that pin, flatten off the ends, and close this off. Let's add those metal panels across the top of the head. Leaving a gap in the center, start over on the left side, draw a straight line coming down, and then line this up on the right. From the top, we're just going to slope this down and then out. Pull this straight down toward the bottom, and then pull that back in. Let's go to the center, draw a straight line. Let's add another large pin along the side, straight out. Again, drawing a straight line across the end. And we'll add some thickness to that pin. Let's add some patchwork along the top. We're going to start from the left side, start with that angled line. Draw a straight line coming down the middle like a T. Let's add some texture on the outside, just drawing a series of vertical lines. Let's go over towards the right side. Start with that angled line. Then over on the left, and draw a series of straight vertical lines. Now we're going to add some thin wires coming out from the head. Let's start from the left side. Just going to wiggle this out towards the end. Draw a short line to cap off the end. And we'll follow that curve coming back in towards the head. Let's add one on the right side. Go all the way around and up. Flatten off the end and then trace that back. And we'll add a couple short wires along the top. Just work our way from left to right. Giving these a slight bend. And we're going to layer a couple metal parts in behind. Let's start on the left. Just going to add a box along the side, going in behind that wire, and then back in. Let's add a small box on the right side. Now with the head complete, let's draw the front edge of the toilet bowl. We're going to start over on the left side. Let's add a curve going down underneath the chin and then back up. Let's draw the neck on either side coming straight down. And then we're going to draw a curve for the back of the toilet bowl. From this point, we're going to step out, bend this up and in behind the bars, go in between, and come back out on the right side. Let's curve the bottom of the bowl, starting back over on the left, coming down in the middle, round this out, and then pull that up on the right. Now along the top, we're going to add some drips going all the way across. Let's start on the left, bending this up, come down, and then up. Now I want to repeat this wave going all the way across, up toward the top, and we just want to vary the length. So we've got some longer ones, and then shorter ones. Just going to make our way out toward the side and then bring that down. Now on either side, we're going to draw in the large barrels. Let's start over on the left. We're going to draw a circle going all the way around and then just tuck that up underneath. Let's line that over on the right. Going all the way around, come down, and then bring that up. We also want to see the top edge of the barrel, starting from the outside, angle this up and in. And then we'll curve the back of the barrel going in behind the toilet. Let's add a seam across the top with a curve. Let's add two small circles around the front. Let's start on the top left, go around, and then on the bottom right. Now, in between the barrels, we're going to add a curve for the bottom of the toilet tank, coming down and up. And we'll add some drips across the bottom. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's our skull toilet from Skibidi Toilet. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. We've got some exciting news to share with all of you. We're offering a variety of incredible options to level up your art skills. Join our exclusive Masterclass memberships for just $1 a month, or catch more free tutorials on our Excel sketch channel every week. Don't miss out on any of these amazing opportunities, so subscribe or join today.